Okay, so Bhagyashree, let's proceed ahead with your mock for admission into MBA, and that too
Yes,
for HR stream. So
yes,
Bhagyashree, very brief introduction from your side.
yes, sir. So, hello, sir. My name is Bhagyashree Sanjay Dudgaudi, and I am 23 years old. My hometown is Chandrapur in Maharashtra, which is famous for Tadoba National Park. And I had completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Information Technology stream from Srihagar College of Engineering, Pune. Talking about my academics, I have scored 93.20% in SSC, and I was also the Taluka topper over there. I was also leading my team. I was the head girl in my school, and in my intermediates, I scored 80%, and my aggregate graduation score was 8.7 SGPA. So this was about my academics. Talking about my interest, I like to do social work so much, and because of this interest, I had joined National Service Scheme, that is NSS, in my engineering. So here we used to do many activities like women empowerment workshop, cleanliness drive, blood donation drive, tree plantation. We had also adopted one village called Khopdewadi in Pune district, and we used to work for the welfare of the villagers. We used to solve issues of the villagers facing there, and we have adopted that village for the past 3 years. Apart from this, I was also the cultural and technical head of my department in the college, and here I acquired leadership skills, communication skills, problem solving skills. So that's all about myself. Thank you.
Okay, so Bhagyashree, you being IT professional, how long you're working in Cognizant now?
For past 1 year, sir.
Okay, so past 1 year, what is your contribution to your company in 1 year?
Yes, so I got the roles and responsibility of handling a team of 3 members, and I'm working in Cognos reporting tool. So I have to schedule reports, analyze the report, and do the deployment and testing of those reports. I have to handle different clients of different countries like China and Taiwan, and I have to fulfill the requirements of the clients. My project is of pharmaceutical um, project, so I have to deal with that field only.
So how many projects did you complete so far in 1 year?
uh, I'm currently working on one project only. It's a
One
long
project.
project. Yeah, it will end after 2 years, so it's project of 3 years.
Are you in communication with your customers also
Yes, yes,
on site
different clients. Yes,
clients you
I'm
are doing, right?
yeah,
Okay,
from
now
Taiwan and
Bhagyashree,
China.
1 year is too less a period to go for HR. So why you're planning to shift over from this to HR now?
So I think, sir, that I have completed my 4 years of engineering in technical stream, and what I have learned, I think that I'm trying to implement that thing in my company. So I need to learn new skills. So,
Mhm.
and as my interest is aligned with the HR profession, I'm very passionate about it. So I want to uh, further move in HR.
But ideally speaking, it should be 2 years duration before you switch over to masters of management, and you should go for HR. But you're only 1 year you have spent in your company. So how do you justify you're entering into HR field after 1 year only?
I'm having so much of quest in HR, and I feel that I need to learn certain skills of HR at this age only. I like to share my incident why I figured out my specialization in HR. When I was in my engineering, as I mentioned earlier, I was part of NSS, and there I got the opportunity to coordinate volunteer selection activity. So I'd implemented the whole hiring process, right from the campaigning of an event, forms distribution, form selection, shortlisting the panelists, shortlisting the candidates, and then allotting different slots, interview slots. I also communicated with the shortlisted candidates, and overall performed smooth transition as a student coordinator from Pune University. So I figured out my interest here, and that's why I want to
Maybe
continue.
maybe NSS activities were different from HR. Can you tell me some kind of your interaction with HR people in Cognizant?
Yes, as my interest always was towards HR. So I talked with my company's HR, my department talent acquisition manager, and tried to understand how the company overall functions and what are the procedures they want to take, what are the things they need to keep in mind while handling any situation. So I had observed them. Sometimes if I have any query, I had inquired about them and take guidance from them as well.
So what is the reason why you joined NSS at the first place, Bhageshi?
Uh, Firstly, I was very passionate to do social work, and NSS provided me the platform to work for the welfare of the society. And not only we just do, I mean, there was a misconception first in my mind that NSS is all about tree plantation, blood donation, because that is what we think. But it has improved my overall personality. My confidence level has increased. It has given me so many things, like I was able to speak in front of public. Speaking has improved, and I was able to express my views in more confident way. So I feel that my overall personality has also
Bhageshi, what after HR from Jamnalal Bajaj?
Yeah, after HR, I would like to lead a multinational company which is best for HR practices. And for me, two things are important. First is creating value in whatever organization I'm working. And second is at least I'm spending 20% of my time in helping the community. So for me, I need to keep a balance between my work commitments and spending time for my interest, which I will inculcate
Okay, now
in the
tell me, how
upcoming
can
years.
IT professional be better HR manager?
Pardon, please, sir.
How can IT professional, you are IT professional, how can IT professional be better HR manager?
So yes, so in my engineering also, and in the corporate company, I have acquired technical skills and also certain managerial skills like decision making skills with innovation, problem solving skills. And I had mentioned earlier that my project was of pharmaceutical medical clients. So I need to deal with the urgent situations. So that time I learned time management skills and how to handle people. So I acquired these qualities, and I feel that I have the capability to interact with people effectively, to mingle with them, to engage with them,
Bhageshi,
empathize
why
with.
Jamnalal Bajaj College?
uh, Three or four things led me to the decision of Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management. First is, of course, the top class faculty members with lot of experience. So I will get the opportunity to get insights and experience practical knowledge from these faculty members. Also, the alumni base, which I will get the opportunity to interact with them, will give me the good industry exposure to the current world, and also the batch sizes of 20 people. So I will we will get more personal attention, and also the case study approach and the experimental opportunities will give me the opportunity to excel more better manner. I can be a part of many members. So uh, I can be a part of many members, so
So can
I
you
can contribute in
can
this.
you Bhageshi tell me some name of some professor, any professor with whom you would like to work?
I had searched over the website because I was very excited to join institute. So Kavita Laghate ma'am is the director of Jamnalal Bajaj Institute. She has done her BSc and MSc in biotechnology from Nagpur University. So she has so much of experience and practical knowledge. So I would like
Okay.
to
Over to
work.
you, Tegi sir.
Bhagyashree,
Yes, sir. Good morning.
good morning. First of all, you tell me what do you know about Mr. Jamnalal Bajaj?
Uh, Sorry, sir, but currently I'm not able to recall about Mr. Jamnalal Bajaj.
Okay. You belong to Chandrapur, right?
Yes, sir.
In Chandrapur district, there is one uh, PSU working in coal sector. Do you know about that?
Yes, coal mines, WCL coal mines, Western coal mines.
WCL stands for
Western Coast Limited.
Western Coastal Limited.
Western, I was just a bit confused about the name because we used to say WCL only.
Okay, no issue.
Hmm.
Okay, tell me, you are working with some organization right now.
Yes, with Cognizant.
Okay. So, during last 1 year,
Yes.
what did you do to improve your knowledge level?
Okay. So, whatever I have studied in my engineering and whatever work the company has assigned to me was totally different. So, only I have learned the foundation part in my engineering, and to enhance those skills, I have done courses from Udemy, Coursera. Also, the company has provided us different platforms where I can improve my skills. So, my work was allotted in Cognos reporting tool and MySQL. So I've taken different certifications in that from Udemy course. So and then applied the same in my task,
Okay.
which was assigned to me.
Since you are engineering graduate, right?
Yes.
So why did not you go for masters in engineering?
My interest was so much aligned towards management skills to learn. The quest was to learn management skills rather than technical skills. And
So
I
why did you join Bachelor of Engineering instead of Bachelor of Administration?
uh, I think, sir, that the technical skills are required in every sector. Different sectors, we will require technical skills. So, after studying technical skills, if we go for learning management skills, then we will learn the overall skills. Like we'll be having technical skills as well as management skills. So it will be a add-on point for that. So that's why I've done my graduation from technical field.
Okay. You belong to Chandrapur district. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, do you have some special city in your mind where you have a dream to work?
In Chandrapur.
No, no, no.
Yeah, yeah.
Anywhere. Is there any dream city for you?
Uh, as it is not such, but I'm flexible with working in only any location all over the India. Only what I feel that in whatever organization I'm working, I should create value in that organization.
Okay. In future, do you have any plan after completing your education from this country? Do you have any plan of going abroad and settle down there?
No, I love my country, sir, and I will be contributing to my country
So
only.
means those who go outside.
No, no, that is not the case. But my personal choice will be to stay in India and work in India.
Okay. So there are various courses in MBA. Okay, other than HR. Can you tell me some?
Yes, MBA in marketing, MBA in operations, MBA in sales, MBA in consulting. There are different specializations.
Okay. So why you have chosen this MBA in HR specialization to go with?
Yes, sir. My brother is had done MBA in marketing, so I had have a closer look of what kind of roles and responsibilities MBA in marketing person have. So I feel that I had also I had done an internship in HR in Seven Mentors in after doing my engineering. So I found that I'm more suitable and I can perform in more better way in HR rather than other specializations. So that's
Okay.
why I choose.
You have done various blood donation camps, right? You have
Yes,
joined.
yes,
So
sir.
can you tell us what are the different blood groups?
Yes, sir. B positive, AB, A positive, A negative. So these are the different blood groups. And while doing the blood donation, also we need to keep certain eligibility criteria. For example, the hemoglobin is first after checking the eyes. We used to check if the person is having proper hemoglobin and the weight is at least 50 kg or above. Then only we are giving the opportunity to person to donate the blood.
What is the range of hemoglobin in healthy human body?
9 to 12.
9 to 12. Any unit?
No, currently I'm not remembering the units.
Okay. And you were talking about some village adoption, some
Yes.
kind of, right?
Yes.
Our Prime Minister has announced something to adopt villages by parliamentaries, okay,
Mhm.
by MPs. So, do you know about that? What was that issue?
No, sir. Sorry, I'm not able to justify it right now.
Okay. Now you tell me, in HR department,
Yes.
there is requirement of various government rules and regulations.
Yes, sir.
So are you aware about all such rules and regulations or rules made by Indian government or any state government like Maharashtra, you can say? Are you aware about the rules which every HR must know?
Rules as in, sir, means can you elaborate a little more so that I can?
When you work as an HR, okay?
Yes.
So there are various rules made by Indian Parliament.
Okay.
Those are related to employers. Okay.
Okay.
So are you aware about any such rule?
Yeah, Bhageshri, like hiring and firing policies of government. Are you aware?
Yes.
Do
I'm
you
not
know
getting the-
EPF? What is EPF?
Yes. PPF is provident fund. Like we need to, from our salary. I guess 12% is contributed for PPF, and the rest 8% or something has been contributed from our organization.
Difference between EPF, PPF, GPF.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Any rule related to child labor? Do you know?
Child labor.
Yeah.
Mm,
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, Bhageshri, I will ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
In your SOP, you have written one statement by Harold. Don't follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail.
Yes.
Tell me how it is a guiding principle for you, because you have led a very common path, engineering and then MBA. That is not a new path. It is in fact the most traveled path. Justify this statement for you.
Not only in I have after engineering pursuing in MBA, but in my school level also, and also in the college level. Apart from studies, I used to do different curricular activities, which were not directly inclined to my course, but still I used to do different activities. Like in engineering also, people are more focused on cultural or technical team, but I was part of NSS team, totally different from my sector. So that is my guiding principle, that to do something different from whatever path I'm currently doing.
Okay, thank you, sir. Let's
One more question, Bhagesri.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are recruited as an HR, okay?
Yes, sir.
With some organization.
Okay.
Now, someday, one of your female colleague, comes to you and she tells that someone at higher position has sexually harassed her or misbehaved with her. How will you handle the situation?
So first of all, I will use sympathy and empathize her. I will give her mental support, and I will say that please don't worry, we will work upon it. And in the company, there are many laws for companies are also having sexual harassment act. So we'll put a file of complaint for the senior person, and then we will go on with the further procedure.
Okay. Feedback, sir.
Tyagi sir, go ahead.
Okay. So first question was
WCL.
hmm?
WCL, that I was not knowing the
WCL.
full form.
Western Coalfields Limited,
Okay.
subsidiary of Coal India Limited,
Okay.
that works in Chandrapur district and entire region nearby also, Yavatmal, Chandrapur, everywhere you can see WCL. So you should know at least about this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because coal is found there
Mhm.
in Chandrapur, in most of the villages, right? So you
Yes.
should have some basic knowledge of these things.
Yes.
Jamnalal Bajaj, if you are going to join college, Jamnalal Bajaj, there should be some query in your mind, na? That why, who is this person actually?
Mhm.
Okay, so
Right.
Jamnalal Bajaj was an industrialist
Mhm.
who founded Bajaj Group in 1920s. Okay, founder of Bajaj Group and also freedom fighter. Okay, friend of Mahatma Gandhi ji. He has done a lot of works in the Nagpur area also. Okay, and in social service also he has done a lot of works. So you should know about him, right?
Yes.
Then which is your ideal work city? So you can say that I am ready to work at every city. Okay, no issue. But if someone asks my personal choice, then I will prefer this city. Any city you can tell, no issue,
Okay.
if you actually like.
Okay. So can I
Okay.
tell Nagpur city, as it
Yeah.
is near to my hometown?
Yeah, you can say. But region is not near to hometown only.
Okay. Okay.
Include other regions also, that it is very beautiful.
Mhm.
Here transportation system is good.
Okay.
Okay, so some additional points you can add. And one of the point is that it is near to your hometown, but
Yeah.
other points are also there.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then why did you choose this MBA in HR? So this answer was not properly given by you. Okay, आपने जो HR ही क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो,
हाँ.
तो इसका आंसर आपने जो दिया कि माय ब्रदर इज इन मार्केटिंग और मैंने उनको देखा है वर्कलोड, इट मींस यू हैव अ फियर ऑफ वर्कलोड. Workload is everywhere, even with HR also you need to work, na? You have to
Yes.
manage different people, different activities, so that is also a workload.
Okay.
So आप बता सकते हो कि जो मार्केटिंग की जॉब है, मतलब मेनली उसमें क्या होता है कि बाहर इधर उधर घूमने का काम ज्यादा होता है. You have to travel to different cities, different areas. और मैं एक जगह मतलब कहीं ऑफिस में बैठ के ऑफिस वाली जॉब करना चाहती हूँ. मेरी एफिशिएंसी वहां पे ज्यादा आती है. मेरे को लगता है कि एक जगह अगर मैं किसी ऑफिस में बैठ के काम करती हूँ तो वहां पे मोर कंसंट्रेशन और मोर इफेक्टिवली मैं काम कर सकती हूँ. ये मेरी पर्सनल वो है. ठीक है. और मुझे लोगों के साथ मतलब कि डील करना, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सुनना, ठीक है ना, उनके साथ डिस्कशन करना, अलग अलग इश्यूज पे छोटे छोटे, वो मेरे को पसंद. आई लाइक दैट. सो ये चीज जो है मेरे को लगता है कि एचआर में मतलब मेरी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है वो मेरी चॉइस से काफी मैच करती है. ठीक है, आप रोल्स पढ़ लो एक बार एचआर के क्या क्या होते हैं, एंड यू कैन से दैट ये मेरी पर्सनल चॉइसेस भी हैं और मेरे इंटरेस्ट भी हैं, तो मैच करते, तो आई एम गोइंग विद दैट. ठीक है.
यस सर.
उसके अलावा आपको डिफरेंट रूल्स के बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए, फैक्ट्री एक्ट के बारे में. अब ईपीएफ पीपीएफ ये सब जो है आपको थोड़ा आइडिया रखना चाहिए. कई बार वो इन जनरल चले जाते हैं ना कहीं पे भी, क्योंकि आपको ये सब चीजें तो डील करनी होती है एम्प्लॉइज के साथ में.
राइट.
ठीक है ना. तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोविडेंट फंड होता है, पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड होता है, गवर्नमेंट प्रोविडेंट फंड होता है. 3 पीएफ होते हैं. तो तीनों का डिफरेंस पढ़ एक बार रीड कर लोगे.
हाँ सर पक्का.
सर
एक आपने लाइन लिखा है भाग्यश्री लास्ट में, आई एम एक्साइटेड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ जवाहरलाल बजाज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज MHRD's enriching culture. What is MHRD?
Master in Human Resource Management.
Do you know it is also Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD?
Yes.
They might ask you, and ये NSS कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आता है?
No, I don't know.
वो पढ़ लेना, वो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ यूथ के अंडर आता है NSS.
हाँ.
You are from Nagpur, right?
Yes.
You know Nagpur is famous for some organization. RSS.
Yes.
RSS के चीफ कौन है?
No, sir. Current affair एकदम zero है.
This is not current affair. This is Nagpur is very famous for RSS. And और आपने अगर NSS में काम कर रहे हो तो RSS की फिलोसफी थोड़ी देख के जाना. वो भी राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ है ना वो.
हाँ.
NSS नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम, RSS राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ. नेचुरली लिंक बनता है इन दोनों चीजों का कि अगर इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दोज एक्टिविटीज, यू सेड यू वांट टू गिव योर टाइम टू कम्युनिटी. RSS, the organization in Nagpur, is also related to something to that, and is a philosophy behind ruling party BJP. It's a very important organization. नागपुर जब आप बोलोगे तो मेंबर पूछ लेता है कि आपको पता है RSS के बारे में, and you are from Nagpur, you don't know about RSS. तो वो आप एक बार देख लेना.
जनरल अवेयरनेस जो होता है ना, ये जनरल मतलब करंट अफेयर्स नहीं, जनरल अवेयरनेस मिनिमम है, मतलब इतना तो आपको पता ही होना चाहिए.
राइट.
इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हो तो कम से कम चारों तरफ भी तो देख के रखना है कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. 10 करोड़ मेंबर हैं RSS के. नागपुर में उसका हेडक्वार्टर है. आप नागपुर से हो. हर साल उनका विजयदशमी पे इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम टीवी पे लाइव टेलीकास्ट चलता है, मोहन भागवत जी का.
खासकर जो जमनालाल बजाज है, जैसे त्यागी सर ने बताया, he was instrumental in activities in Nagpur area also.
और उनके क्या कोर इश्यूज थे, किस इशू पे वो काम कर रहे थे. जैसे वो हिंदी के प्रमोशन पे बहुत काम किया उन्होंने. वो चाहते थे कि हिंदी का ज्यादा प्रचार हो.
राइट.
खादी का प्रचार बहुत ज्यादा, वो चाहते थे कि खादी का यूज ज्यादा से ज्यादा हो. तो ऐसी एक्टिविटी भी थोड़ी रखनी चाहिए नॉलेज में ना.
आपका HR पॉलिसीज का थोड़ा पता करो. IT प्रोफेशनल HR में क्यों जाना चाहते हो, एक ही साल जॉब के बाद HR में क्यों जाना चाहते हो, इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आप दे नहीं पाए भाग्यश्री. यू कुड नॉट आंसर देम वेल एज टू माय सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल. व्हाई आफ्टर 1 year ओनली एंड व्हाई HR ओनली. तो यू कुड नॉट प्रोवाइड द वेरी गुड आंसर टू दीज क्वेश्चंस, राइट. और एज IT प्रोफेशनल HR में क्या करोगे. त्यागी सर ने एक बहुत रेलिवेंट टॉपिक आपको बताया है, सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट इन द वर्क प्लेस. As woman, HR manager, that is your main emphasis. Woman HR manager. There can be men HR manager. You are woman HR manager. So, sexual harassment act की आपने बात की, उसके बारे में knowledge. Recruitment policies, hiring and firing policies, contractual basis जो आजकल चल रहा है. Contract basis क्या आप what is your view on contract appointments? Contractual basis appointment is good or bad or something like that, right?
Yes.
Child labor किसको बोलते हैं. एंड फंडामेंटल राइट में इसको है, अब चाइल्ड लेबर नहीं होनी चाहिए. दैट इज अ फंडामेंटल राइट, राइट. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. जस्ट वर्क ऑन दिस, राइट.
Yes.
ओके त्यागी सर,
Thank you, sir.